Hello everybody. I am sorry. Today we're gonna be playing another episode of FR Legends, where there's new cars. There are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new cars actually. That's very exciting. I think I already made a video on this, so I'm just gonna sell this car. So that makes it to 12 cars, and that is that one, and this one. This is actually my car, by the way. Oh, do you like it? Thank you. First off is the Super MK5, the Beast. Like, this is the Beast, the true Beast. No, not again. Yeah, I just said not again because I'm gonna sneeze. I already sneezed like earlier, dude. 6 out of 8. I should be the 7th honor. Thank you. Look at this. Look at these people. I'm just so sorry. But look at these people, dude. They really think they can beat me. I think I just saw Eclipse right. I think I just saw Eclipse pass me. Is that Psycho or something, dude? I don't know. What car are you using, bro? I thought I saw like a... an Eclipse. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? That way? Where'd he go? Oh god. That's not an Eclipse. I saw an Eclipse earlier. What the hell? That's not an Eclipse. Where'd it go? Where did the Eclipse go? Maybe it was too shy. Oh, look at that. What are these? Dude, oh, those are traffic cones. I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. Sorry. So, wait. Where's the Eclipse? I thought I saw an Eclipse. Excuse me. Hello? Okay. Hey, that's the Super MK4. You can't be here. Only MK5s are allowed here. Alright, next one, the McLaren Senna. I worked really hard on this. I credited the person who gave me the delivery code, so thank you. I'm just so sorry. Right. Excuse me. I'm here to go out. That was my girlfriend, dude. Look at this. Look at this Senna. Alright, I'm back. I just go with the Senna, dude. Dude, look at this thing drift, bro. Is anyone behind me? No? Okay. That's good though. That's good. Senna. Oh, look at the livery. This is so fire. Alright. I'll do. Oh! Excuse me, I caught that on camera. Yo, leave a like and subscribe. Dude, I just did that. How did I do that? I just did that. Honestly, I don't even know how I just did that. And I found out it can burn out, so do that. I don't even know how you do that. Bro, you press 2 buttons, that's it. I thought it was hard. I was wondering about that. That's hard. Okay, so if the McLaren Senna is fire, then the Chevrolet Corvette C6 should be fire as well. So let's go multiplayer real quick. Yeah. I'm just so sorry. Okay, join the... Get out of my way because I'm a C6. Now, I know Corvette is... I don't know about Corvette. It's just, I like it. but at the same time, it doesn't have the highest speed. Like, I like Supras, but I like Corvettes too. So maybe those are the things I like as well. Let me do that sick fire trick again. Well, how many 360s was that, my guy? How did I even do that? And also, I just broke my car, like... Hey, yo, was that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Oh, that's not a Supra. Get out of here. Yeah, let's just go on my day. Let's go. Oh, you missed. You missed, idiot. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Ha! Loser. Just kidding, I'm so sorry. Sue me! Just kidding, go. What car should I do next? I have a lot. I should probably not do the intro. Outro! I just said that. Alright, next car. I got the wrecker. Let's go. Alright, I bet this won't be a fire car. Can I change the tires yet? Oh. Okay. Didn't know that. Okay, thanks. Let's start multiplayer now. Lobby. No! I didn't create one. No! I am so sorry. Range motor circuit. I don't know how to. 4 out of 8. Sure. Want me to? Alright. This is it. Oh, what are you doing there? Credits to the original delivery creator as well. So that's cool. Yeah. Oh. What are you doing there, buddy? Sheesh, yeah. Hey, that's my line. You can't steal someone's line. That's mine. Like, sheesh, this car is clean. Nope, not clean anymore because I had to fix it. But, bro, that guy literally stole. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you kidding right now? I've got to repair again? You're wasting my money. Oh, your fault. Dude, these guys are nubs at drifting. Meanwhile, me, you know what to do. Shut up. Because I know how to drift, idiot. No, not you. I'm the idiot. Oh! Are you kidding?